If you wake up with muscle stiffness, your body is giving you a warning. In Japan, this is not seen as natural aging. It is a warning from the body that some areas are losing mobility, hydration, and circulation. For this, there are 5 isometric stretches used for decades by Japanese people that every adult over 60 should do before this warning turns into pain. We're going to start with a movement that reactivates the central axis of the body. And at the end of the video, we will show the routine of just 10 minutes that unlocks your body in 2 weeks. Don't forget to tell us where you're watching from and subscribe to the channel. We love seeing our community grow. Stretch 1, cat, cow. Imagine your spine as a row of dominoes. Over time, these dominoes stop moving smoothly. One presses against the other, mobility decreases, and stiffness turns into silent pain. Cat, cow solves this gently. It mobilizes each vertebra, from the neck to the coccyx, rehydrates the discs, increases the flow of synovial fluid, the natural oil of the joints, and reduces the feeling of tightness. And there's more. This movement activates the vagus nerve, responsible for reducing stress, lowering cortisol, and calming the body, the same effect as a light meditation practice. Even people with scoliosis and herniated discs report improvement when they perform it slowly. To begin, cat, cow, get on the floor calmly and place your hands and knees down, creating the feeling of a firm and stable table. Feel your palms connected to the ground and your spine elongated, as if preparing your body to awaken. Now inhale deeply. As the air enters, let your chest open, your shoulders move away from your ears, and your spine arch gently downward. This is a cow phase. The heart moves forward, the neck lengthens, and the whole central axis gains space. Then let the air out slowly. As you exhale, push the floor with your hands. Round your spine and bring your chin toward your chest, as if creating a protective shell around your body. This is a cat phase. Feel each vertebra separating. Repeat this movement calmly, letting the breath guide the rhythm. Imagine you are massaging your spine from the inside, awakening it gently, vertebra by vertebra, until your body feels looser and naturally flowing. Stretch 2, calf stretch. Your calves are not just muscles. In Japan, they are called a second heart because they pump blood back toward the torso. When they become stiff, circulation worsens, legs swell, cramps appear, walking becomes heavy, and the risk of falls increases. Stretching the calves for just 30 to 60 seconds immediately improves venous return, restores ankle mobility, and reduces tension in the Achilles tendon. Studies show that flexible calves reduce fall risk by improving balance and gait stability. Many people think sore legs are normal with age, but flexible calves make the legs feel lighter almost overnight. Face a wall, or hold onto a chair and place your hands gently on it. Step back with one leg, keeping the heel entirely on the floor. The front leg bends slightly while the back leg remains extended. Adjust the distance until you feel a firm but comfortable stretch in the calf. Now breathe deeply. As you exhale, move your hips slightly forward, as if melting your body weight toward the wall. Feel the calf stretch from the heel to the top. Keep your chest open, your torso upright, and the heel firmly grounded. Hold still for 30 to 60 seconds. Then switch sides. Stretch 3, butterfly stretch. Your hips are the hinges of the body. When they lock, everything gets worse. Posture, lower back, walking, balance. The butterfly stretch releases the inner thighs, adductors, and deep hip muscles, regions that become shortened after years of sitting in sedentary habits. Science confirms flexible hips reduce fall risk by more than 30% and increase independence in older adults. This stretch also improves leg circulation, reduces the feeling of heaviness, and even relieves discomfort from varicose veins. And here's a detail almost no one notices. Opening the hips also unlocks the pelvis, improves spinal alignment, and reduces pressure on the lower back. Sit calmly on the floor and let your spine grow, as if an invisible thread were pulling the top of your head upward. Bring the soles of your feet together and pull them toward your body, allowing the knees to fall gently outward. Do not force them. Let gravity do the work. Hold your ankles and feel your body find stability. Now breathe deeply. As you inhale, lengthen the spine. As you exhale, lean slightly forward, just enough to feel a gentle stretch in the inner thighs. Let your breath flow slowly and steadily. With each exhale, allow the knees to drop 1 or 2 millimeters. Feel old tensions release discreetly. In the adductors, the pelvis, and the lower back. Stretch for child's pose. In Japanese practice, child's pose is like pressing the body's reset button. When folding your torso forward and placing your forehead on the floor, the spine decompresses. The hips open gently. The shoulders release years of accumulated tension, and it has a hidden, powerful effect. This posture activates the parasympathetic system, the rest and restore mode. It reduces cortisol, lowers blood pressure, and improves sleep. Each breath massages the diaphragm, increases lung capacity, and dissolves mental stress. For older adults, this isn't just flexibility. It is deep recovery. Kneel calmly and sit back onto your heels. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, let your torso slide forward like a gentle wave. Place your forehead on the floor, or on a cushion if you prefer, and let your arms stretch forward, long and relaxed. Feel your spine lengthening from the neck to the lower back, as if unfolding. With each breath, release the weight of the chest, shoulders, and back. Imagine your body being welcomed by the floor, returning everything it carried during the day. Let your hips sink slowly toward your heels, creating space in the pelvis and hips. Your breath should be soft, deep, and calm, activating your rest system. Stay for 1 minute, feeling your mind slow down and tension disappear. Stretch 5, supine twist. Supine twist realigns the spine, relieves the lower back, hydrates the discs, releases tension from years of poor posture. But the most ignored benefit is digestive. The twist increases abdominal circulation, reduces bloating, improves intestinal function, and stimulates internal organs. At the same time, it activates deep core muscles, obliques and transverse abdominis, essential for balance and protection of the spine. Holding it for 1 minute activates the same calming system that reduces stress and improves sleep. Lie down gently, feeling your back settle. Extend your legs and relax your shoulders. Now slowly pull one knee toward your chest, hugging it gently. Breathe deeply, and as you exhale, let the knee cross over the body, fall to the opposite side. Allow the twist to happen without rushing. The opposite shoulder should remain on the floor, heavy like an anchor stabilizing the movement. Turn your head to the opposite side of the leg and feel the stretch travel through the entire side of the torso, from the obliques to the hip. With each breath, imagine the lower back unwinding, releasing invisible knots and creating space between the vertebrae. Stay like this for 1 minute, feeling the belly gently massage the internal organs, the abdomen expand, and the body enter a deep state of relaxation. Then return to the center and repeat on the other side. 10-minute daily routine. These 10 minutes are not just a sequence of stretches. They're a ritual, a small commitment to your mobility, independence, and future. In Japan, elders who remain strong and balanced into their 80s and 90s do not perform long workouts. They follow short, consistent, intelligent routines like this. The sequence is simple and profound. Cat, cow, 1 minute. Butterfly stretch, 1 minute. Supine twist, 1 minute per side. Calf stretch, 30 seconds per side. Child's pose, 1 minute. And here is the most powerful part. You don't need extraordinary strength. You don't need equipment. You don't need 1 hour a day. Your body just needs 10 minutes of attention every day. With this daily routine, your spine begins to move more smoothly. Your hips gain lightness. Your legs respond better. Your balance improves. Your posture adjusts naturally. Your sleep becomes deeper. Your breath becomes calmer. And that's why, in just 2 to 4 weeks, many people report that their body unlocks and even feels younger. It's not magic. It's consistency. a seed planted every day, exactly as generations of Japanese longevity teach. Now tell me, which of these stretches will you start with today? Your comment may inspire someone else to regain mobility too. And if this video helped you, like, subscribe, and activate notifications. In Japan, they say, age does not steal movement. Lack of movement steals age. See you in the next video.